canvas video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make one of these incredible rocket racers. Here are the materials you will need. Decorate it with the materials you have and make it look really cool. We found that the flames looked amazing. Here are some of the ones we created. Now tie up one end of your washing line. Tie a piece of string to your rocket. Now thread your line through your rocket racer. Tie the other end of your washing line up and then you're good to go. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.
Thank you everybody for watching today's YouTube video. Make sure you hit the like button, smash that subscribe button and share with friends and family.
We'd love to see the rocket races you guys make. Be sure to post them online.